their respective sports, but now the staff in this students versus staff basketball game.